Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Start by locating calendar and tapping on it. Now you need to click on one of the dates to set it up and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here you can customize your event however you wish to. But firstly, click on more. Now you can, for example, add a title to it. Select a picture. Actually it's an icon, so I will go with that one. Select location. Pick starting hour. Click save at the bottom right corner and link one or turn off this feature by tapping on all day. You can also set up a reminder and even take notes. When done, click save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by clicking on it and tapping on this bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice by clicking OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!